Dear future us, we always knew we'd need more room. We just didn't think we'd need it so soon. We weren't ready to leave the city, and we didn't want to break the bank trying to keep up. But we were ready for change, for comfort, for something that made sense. This wasn't just another condo. It was a 3-bedroom space where everyone could breathe. Where the kids could play in their own rooms. Where dinner didn't mean squeezing around a corner table. It's still in the city, still close to everything. Transit, schools, parks, even the highway. We found the space we needed, the comfort we hoped for, and a future we can actually afford. But this time, we didn't have to give anything up. And that feels just right.